Hey guys, it's TH Gaming back with another video, and today I will be showing you how to get a customized keyboard on any Android device and iOS device. So first, let's get this started. So before I get the video started, I want to give a shout out to Adrian Patel because he said to give a shout out. So yeah, I gave a shout out to him. And so let's get this started. So first, what you want to do is go on the App Store or Google Play Store. And you want to search up Go Keyboard right there. I search it up in the corner. And then after, what you want to do is the first one that's there, Go Keyboard Customize, like the thing. You just write like it says right here, like new logo, and there's like a bunch of weird stuff. So and then after, when you're done that, you just want to download it. And once done downloading, you want to go on to Go Keyboard. And then what you want to do is pick anything you want. Some are for money. Like I'll show you one that's for money. A few that are for money. At the top, come on, bro. All the way at the top. So you see the $1.99 equal to $2. If you want to waste money and buy that, I wanted to buy the pure one, but then when I saw it was for money, I'm like, I'm good. So when you're like done a keyboard, like when you cut selected a keyboard, like pretend I wanted to pick Army, right? Army. So what you would have to do is, it says before you do that, you have to go on to settings, because I already did all this stuff, but I'll show you. And you want to go on to general. You want to go on to keyboard. And then what you want to do is keyboards. You want to press keyboards, and you want to press Go Keyboard. Allow full access. You want to press that. Allow full access. Yep. And then you just want to before you want to press add new keyboard, and it will probably say Go Keyboard or something like that. And then after, when you're done doing that, you just go on to Go Keyboard. Again, how much time does it say Go Keyboard in this video? So after, when you're done that, you'll just pick something like I guess I'll pick. I'm just gonna go on to categories, because there's categories too. You can pick, like, there's like a bunch of categories. I guess I'll just pick future, right? What you wanna do is download, and then it's gonna take you. Right now, when you press download, it's gonna take you to you wanna go on the settings and what I just did before. And after, when you're done that, you wanna press use, and then you can do everything you want. Like, you can do stuff with it. Yeah, like that. So now, when you're done that, there's also things that like, did you see what that did? So after, you can also customize theme. You can customize by going into camera roll, and you can choose a picture from a camera roll or anything, anything you want. And then after, you can just like edit it, and you guys get it after. So what I did, I edit my DH Gaming one. So I have a DH Gaming thing, a keyboard, and I applied it, and I mean, yeah. So there's really nothing else to this. Oh yeah, and there's one more thing. If you want to, like, before, when you go on to anything, because on like the App Store or the Google Play Store, it will be it will be there for automatically, but here, when you go onto messages, it won't be there. So what you want to do is you want to hold this button, and right now, see, it says switch keyboard. When you hold it, because it's going to be a white keyboard, you want to switch that to the Go Keyboard, and then after, it's going to switch to this. And then you can press this. You can organize your letters and stuff. So it's cool. And I hope you guys like this video. Please just subscribe and like the video. I'll see you later in the next video. And yeah, peace.
Infinite power, infinite power, infinite.